Okay, so trade recap. So let me start off with my daily bias for the day. Okay. Okay, in a daily time frame, uh, on Thursday, yesterday, the bias was bullish because this high failed to broke lower below this low and pushed higher. Okay, we broke structure to the upside, which is my current bias for the yesterday was bullish. Okay, and in a 4 hour time frame, price was extended too high, like price was too overbought and hit the daily opening gap, which is this gap, and price hit it and then dropped. Okay, so what I was expecting was 4 hour range is really high, so I was expecting if there's like bearish SMT or lower time frame confirmations BPR, I would look for short to these equilibriums, right? Okay, these 4 hour equilibriums. And in a 1 hour time frame, right before the market opened, price broke structure to the upside in a 1 hour time frame. But ES swept out these highs, which is ES made a higher high, Nasdaq made a lower high, which is a bearish SMT. Okay, so that that makes me a pretty bearish for the day, catching the move to the equilibrium. And in a 5 minute time frame, I had the chance to I had the knowledge to took short off of here, but I just waited for the news to came out. The news kind of did nothing crazy, and I caught short off of here, but to take some profit off of here. And this in the second trade is just not a real trade. It's just a mock trade that I just that I just want to see how it wants to move. Okay, so in a 1 minute time frame, um, in a 1 minute time frame, price just dumped to the downside, pushed higher, swept out these highs on ES, and Nasdaq didn't. So that's a bearish S&P for sure. Okay, and the trade that I took was so once I realized that this today is a trending day and there is likely to be no retracement, and we haven't hit the 4 hour bullish range equilibrium, so I would look for I would look for shorts. Okay, the trending so the price action on Thursdays was really great. So low high, lower lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So right at this bearish engulfing candle, I just entered, bro. Put my stop loss above the high and little bit of drawdown, and then price just dumped to the downside. Okay, so this green line is the 4 hour range equilibrium. So I could have catched the trade all the way to the 4 hour range equilibrium. More high confluence area would be like 4 hour bullish balanced price range. So this is really a high confluences area for show some reaction, but it kind of did nothing, like a little bit of reaction and then just dumped. It actually reversed it though. So prices even pushed lower and hit the all the way to the 4 hour equal lows right here. So these equal lows once worked as a bullish S&P, caused price to push higher, but no longer work. Okay, so why I took my profits too early and why I closed my positions too early, because after I see the 1 minute inversion Ferrari gap and 1 minute bullish BPR and retracing back to and then reaction, I just thought like this might be just reversal. Price was pushing lower all day long and swipe out some liquidities, swipe out some hourly liquidities and Ferrari gap. So I thought like this can be the reversal, but it wasn't. This was just a trending high, low, high, low. We must make a high, right, bro? High, dropped. So like I just closed my position low. At here, like I was expecting something like crazy like this, right? High, low, never high. Okay, so this was the high, bro. This was the high, and then price just dumped to the downside. Okay, so yeah, this is what I did wrong and the lessons that I learned. Okay, yeah, this is the only trade that I took. Potentially, if I let it run my winners, this would have been like 1 to 11 risk to reward trade if I let it run, bro. If I let it run, but I didn't. So it is what it is. Do better to the next time. Okay. On Nasdaq, price action was l- pretty much the same as you know the ES, but I didn't took any trades. So this is the note that I wrote last night. If price hit 5 minute bearish before would be great for shorts, but now price is too sold off for me to even short. Yeah, this is the note after these lows got swept. Okay. So yeah, bearish order flow was still holding. Okay. Order flow was still bearish, and then price just dumped lower.